everyone. Have you heard the exciting news from Bengaluru? The city is about to take a big leap forward in public transportation. Yes, Bengaluru receives first driverless metro. The Bangalore Metro Rail Corporation Limited has received its first 6-coach prototype driverless metro train supplied by a Chinese manufacturer as part of a larger deal. It would operate on one of the high-tech metro lines connecting the city center to the IT hub. In 2019, CRCC Nanjing Puzhen Ltd won the contract to supply 216 coaches to Bengaluru Metro Rail Transport Corporation Limited and this prototype train. The train will be assembled at Electronic City and a team of Chinese engineers will monitor the assembling activity. This driverless metro technology uses automation to operate the trains, eliminating the need for a human driver. This can lead to several benefits such as increased accuracy and precision in stopping at stations, reduced chances of human error, the ability to run trains more frequently, and potentially lowering the operational costs. The introduction of driverless metros in Bengaluru is a significant step towards making the city's public transportation system more modern, efficient, and reliable. This can have a positive impact on traffic congestion, air quality, and the overall quality of life for residents. So, what do you think about Bengaluru getting its first driverless metro? Be sure to share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe MES Innovatives for more tech updates. And this is Bhavana signing off.